Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You might be tempted to remove protections, but first figure out the precise reason. Security exists to stop theft and abuse. If your goal is convenience, consider adjusting settings rather than disabling them. Make sure you are the account owner or a verified parent. Platforms will not process requests from unverified parties. Once you have username, linked email or phone, and recent login info, proceed to official account settings or prepare to contact support. This avoids risky open settings, then security. Do not look for exploits. To change two-step, switch methods rather than disable entirely. For example, move from app codes to SMS if needed. If a parent needs to modify controls, do it from the verified parent account so the change is legitimate. Make sure to review connected devices and third-party apps. Removing forgotten devices reduces risk. Once done, update your recovery email and password to something strong and unique. If the settings won't let you make the change, don't try to bypass them. Contact official support and provide clear verification, linked email, proof of recent purchase, or parent verification as required. Use the platform's recovery form. It's slower but legitimate. Avoid third-party services that promise quick fixes. Once support completes the request, confirm changes, keep logs of messages, and immediately enable monitoring or periodic checks to detect any unauthorized access.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.